How to get Proton VPN free trial. Proton VPN offers a free trial of its premium plans, allowing you to test its secure and fast VPN services without commitment. Here's how to activate the free trial. Step 1. Visit the Proton VPN website. Go to www.protonvpn.com in your browser. Click on the Get Proton VPN or Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Create a Proton account. Sign up with your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your email address if required. Step 3. Select the free trial option. During the sign-up process, you'll see the 7-day free trial option for Proton VPN's premium plans. Select the plan you want to test, such as Proton VPN, plus access to the fastest servers, streaming features, and secure core. Proton Unlimited, bundled with Proton Mail and other premium services. Step 4. Download and install the Proton VPN app. Download the app for your device from the Proton VPN website or your device's app store. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. Install the app and log in with your Proton account credentials. Step 5. Start using Proton VPN. Connect to any premium server to test features like high-speed connections, streaming unblocking, Netflix, Hulu, secure core for enhanced privacy. Step 6. Decide after the trial ends. After 7 days, your account will automatically downgrade to the free plan unless you subscribe. The free plan includes access to servers in 3 countries: Japan, the Netherlands, and the US. Medium speed connections. No data limits. By following these steps, you can enjoy Proton VPN's premium features during the free trial and decide if it meets your privacy and security needs.